Hi, in this video, I want to discuss how to upload ChangeShip records in HR Tech. So here are the steps that you need to follow in order to upload ChangeShip records in HR Tech. So number one is you need to fill up the ChangeShip XLS template provided completely and accurately. So this is actually the template that was provided. So it's composed of employee code, start date, end date, ship code, and then reason, and that's it. Okay, and then you should not change the format of this Excel. So you should not interchange the columns and so on. Okay, and then don't put any special formatting. And then here you should take note that the employee code, the format should be text. So if you go to the format cell, make sure that it is text. Okay, otherwise you will have a problem in a number wherein it is starting with 00. Like for instance, if I say here 005, it will not give you 005. No, it will give you number 5. Okay, so let me delete that. Okay, and then you need to save it, no, or copy the Excel file in CHR Tech, which is here. So I copied it in CHR Tech. So let me open it again. So this is the Excel file. Okay, and then after copying the Excel file, you need to configure the API URL in appsettings.json. So this is actually just one time. So it can be found here. So you just make sure that in the appsettings.json, the API URL, connection string API URL, should be the URL of your API. So you ask your network administrator to do this for you because he knows what is the URL for your API. And this is one time. Once you made it, so normally if you made it in one of the tables that you are uploading, like for example logs or employees and so on, that will be permanent. That's one time. Okay, so just make sure you were able to configure this properly. Otherwise, you cannot find the URL. No, so you will receive a message that URL cannot be found. Okay, and then you run the HR Tech uploader. Now to run the HR Tech uploader, all you have to do is to double click the exe file that was provided. So it can be of course on your desktop with a shortcut and with the logo of the uploader. Okay, but in my case it's just on the folder that was installed since I'm in the development environment. So I'll just double click it here. And by the way, make sure that the Excel is closed when you run this. So never run this when the Excel is not closed. Make sure it is closed. And then you run it. So once you run it, you will receive a prompt, a command prompt. So on this command prompt, so you will type ChangeShip, upload ChangeShip. So we will type upload ChangeShip. And by the way, before that, no, I just want to make a note that I intentionally created an error for this Excel file, just for you to see what is it like to encounter an error and then how to resolve it. Okay, so here the employee code 004 is I put XXX just to make sure that it's an error because there is no such employee code 004 with double X at the end. Same thing with ship code. There is no ship code NX and then double X. There's only NS or the night shift. Okay, so when I will now run it, so I will say run no, I mean upload change ship, and then enter. So what will happen is it will load the ships, employees, and then extract records from the Excel file. And then here at the last statement, there is error encountered while uploading. So please check log activity. So in that case, you need to check what was the error. So to check the error, you need to go to the CHR Tech upload logs. And then here you will find a text file on the current date, which is today. So January 20, 2021. So this is the current date today. So you will see that there is a invalid employee code in row 2. So if you take a look at the Excel file, so let's go to the Excel file again here. You will see on the row 2 employee code, it is wrong. So same thing on the next statement, there is invalid ship code in row 3, which is this is row 3, invalid ship code. So with this log, you can easily identify where is the source of the error and be able to correct it. Okay, so in this case, all you have to do is to correct the error. So in our case, I will just remove the XX for the employee code, and here I will also remove the XX for the ship code, and then save it. Then close it again. Okay, so never issue the command without closing this Excel. Okay, so when we are now finished correcting the error, you can now run again the upload change ship command. Okay, so all I have to do is to type upload change ship and then enter. So as you can see, so total number of change ship records extracted is 2, and then uploading to API, and uploading was done successfully. Okay, so that was the last statement. So when the last statement is uploading was done successfully, that means you don't have any error. That means you successfully uploaded the records. So we can now go to HR Tech on the timekeeping change ships. So as you know, on the Excel file, let me go to the Excel file again. The uploaded records are from November 3 to November 4. And then employee code 004 and 006. Ship code is NS or night ship. Okay, so when I will now go to November 1, November 3 to November 4. Yeah, here, and then search. So you will see you have 2 records that were uploaded. So one is 004 and one is 006, which is matching the code here with a name. So Yun Kim Soo and Robbie Margot Baby. And then here the ship description is night ship, which is actually the one we uploaded. And also take note that it's already approved. It's automatically approved. So it will not go to the process of approval anymore. Since you upload it in the system, so therefore it will be automatically approved. Because the presumption is that why you are doing uploading is because you are in a hurry. You want to simplify the process. You don't want to go to the normal process of approval and so on. So the approval process will only be effective for those change ship that were entered one by one by the employee themselves or the team leader or the work group leader. Okay, and yeah, that's it. So if you have any question, please put it on the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.